Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm here to discuss my favorite facial oils, especially during your nighttime routine. I found this Teami, their tea infused repair oil. It's filled with a lot of cool teas and it's a fun nighttime oil that I like to use in my daily routine. I really like facial oils because I feel like they're super rich, super luxurious, and they penetrate your skin. Make sure to use this as your last step. After you put on your toner, your facial, your serum, everything, this should be the last step in your routine because this is probably the heaviest, and that's really why I love it so much. I use a whole pump, you could say, onto my face before I go to bed. And this is filled with chamomile flowers and it's tea infused. So you will find the link to this product on the description box below. So if you enjoy facial oils, definitely check out Teami's Repair Tea Infused Oils. I also enjoy using a lot of their masks. I feel like their Peabody mask, their green tea mask is also really great. I'll do a video on it as well and which specific masks I like to use. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you like the product reviews and would like some makeup looks, beauty hacks, and fun cooking recipes. So don't forget to click the box below for the link to this product, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for your time. Bye.